Understanding IDK in English, a simple guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we'll explore a very common phrase in English, IDK. It stands for, I don't know. This video is designed to help you understand not only what it means, but also how and when to use it in everyday conversations. Let's dive into the world of English slang and informal language together. IDK is an abbreviation for, I don't know. It is widely used in informal communication, especially in text messages and online chats. The phrase is used to express uncertainty or a lack of knowledge about something. It's a quick and casual way to respond when you don't have the answer to a question or when you are unsure about something. In text messages and online chats, IDK is particularly popular in digital communication. It's a shorthand that helps keep messages brief and to the point. For example, if someone asks you a question and you don't know the answer, you can simply reply with IDK. In spoken English, while IDK is primarily used in written form, it's also spoken in casual conversations, especially among younger people. When speaking, people might say IDK by pronouncing each letter or just say, I don't know, in a casual tone. In professional settings, it's important to note that IDK is very informal. In professional or formal contexts, it's better to use the full phrase, I don't know, to maintain a level of professionalism. To give you a better idea of how IDK is used in context, here are some examples. 1. Text message. When is the meeting? IDK. I'll have to check. 2. Online chat. Do you know who's attending the party? IDK yet. 3. Spoken conversation. Among friends. What movie do you want to watch? IDK. What do you suggest? And that's all about IDK. Remember, while it's a useful and common abbreviation in informal English, it's not suitable for formal contexts. We hope this video helps you understand and use IDK confidently in your daily English conversations. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.